We have quite an extensive tech support group at Mayfield Village here, just outside of Cleveland. And we have other support centers around the world, a number of different offices in Europe, which cover the different languages, and also in our Asia Pacific region. And that enables us to cover customers 24/7, all around the globe, no matter where they are in the world. Our facility alone takes over 1,700 calls every day, and it's a lot of customer interactions. It really pulls us in and with the customers and makes us a vital part of their solution and Rockwell's solution. So we're integrated with the customer and engineering and the sales team, so that we're a strong part of that. We're a key part of that, and really helps the customer to get their whole system running in an efficient manner. We really are a focus group for the company, for the customer. When customers need something, they always know they can call support. We're the first line of contact, and oftentimes they don't know who to talk to, where to talk to, so we can also not just talk to them, but we can direct them to distributors, to sales, to solution architects, back to the product group. We send out surveys for every contact that we have with customers, and we get those surveys back and we review them all. And when there's something in there that they want to annotate or make sure that Rockwell's listening to, we feed that back to the product groups and the development teams. I'm John Ciszewski from Rockwell Tech Support. I'm the supervisor for the Control Logix platform.